Tell me what I need to know.
I don't know what you're talking about!
You're never gonna see your son again.
You got the wrong family!
This is the single greatest phone ever made. Hold on a second, I'm emailing this video to myself. Hello?
Hello? Can you hear me? I need your help.
Who is this, Chloe?
No. My name is Jessica Mark. I've been kidnapped. The phone I'm talking on, it's destroyed. If you hang up, I may not be able to get anybody else. Oh my God. Someone's coming.
You're gonna die here.
No!
Oh God. Oh God.
We had a report of a possible kidnapping.
Anybody here? Police!
We have a visitor.
Get rid of him.
What happened?
She was a cop. She was dirty, Jack.
Hurry! My son's school gets hosed. They can't get him.
I gotta borrow your car.
Ryan, don't let him get away!
Whoa!
Where is she?
Battery's dying.
Do you have a charger?
I'm checking the car. Whoa. I'm getting us a charger. Don't worry, I'll find him.
Hurry!
I got a life and death call. Do you have a charger?
Sir, you need to wait your turn.
Excuse me.
Hey, take a number.
Now who's gonna give me that charger?
I have no right to ask you this, but you're my family's only hope.
I need your car.
Who are you? How did you get involved?
I just answered my phone.
Hello? Are you there?
We have a lot in common, you and me.
He killed someone close to you, didn't he?
He ran over my wife. He convinced them it was an accident as she was standing in the road. I went after him.
I've been tracking him for 2 years.
He drives a 1972 Cadillac Eldorado.
Prefers major highways. He's paranoid about running out of gas. He used to stop for repairs, but he's gotten pretty good at taking care of that himself.
He disappears for 3-4 months at a time.
He knew what he was doing.
What are you talking about?
Did he take something of yours? He always takes a souvenir.
He took my picture.
If I can find you, so can he.
He's coming.
Highwaymen. After 20 years in exile,
I've always wanted to meet the man behind the reputation.
comes the return
I've heard so many things.
Who knows, some of them may even be true.
of the notorious Mr. Ripley.
Mr. Ripley, the Lord of the Manor himself.
What a pleasant surprise.
You beautiful man.
His face has changed.
I lack conscience, and when I was young, that troubled me. It no longer does.
But his talent remains the same.
I've got a problem.
Why was he here?
Turn over and I'll tell you. He wants me to kill someone.
Why?
Because I can.
What exactly are you after?
It's a surprise. I think Jonathan is very fortunate to have someone like you.
What's the word?
To kill an extremely evil man.
Let's be optimistic and say we won't need that. Keep my watch, because if it breaks, I'll kill everyone on this train.
John Malkovich, DeGray Scott, Lena Headey, Ray Winstone, and Chiara Caselli. I'll do ya!
Why me? Why did you pick me?
Because that's the game. You know the most interesting thing about doing something terrible? After a few days, you can't even remember it.